Today we're opening up the MOTHERLODE mystery tackle box. 60 bucks at Dick's. I thought there was a sale, there was not. Holy yeah. So, MOTHERLODE, what? It's a giveaway, that's kind of cool. I guess for the 10-year anniversary of Mystery Tackle Box. What is this? I've never seen anything like this. Is it a flopper? What is this? Commotion shed. I've never seen this. It's hollow. Yeah, it's a top water. I don't know where it's got a spin on it. That's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Yeah.
There you go.
We're not gonna get the book out. The Dibble book. Is this the same one that I get every time? No, it's actually not. Okay. Next. Oh yeah. This thing's huge. Also looks kind of cool. I've never heard of this company. It's called Spro. Fat Papa 70 SB. Look at that. That's pretty nice. Oh, I love these. These are my favorite. These are the Excite baits. These are paddle tail, soft plastics. Just for me and you. What is the contour worm? Hold on. I love net bait. If you can't tell, they're all over my wall. Oh, that is a nice bait right there. 4.75 inch contour worm. I can't pronounce English very well. These people make the cheapest, most worst lures, but I know these are pretty good. Cream. They're pink. They're 5 inches. They're like, I don't know what those are, but they're interesting. It's a Yozuri. I've always wanted a Yozuri. What is this? Knuckle bait. They put the weirdest crap in these things. It looks like something like a buzz bait. But I'll have to throw this. New style. Japanese. I cannot read that. On the back. I cannot read that. Mustad hooks. You get two 4-aught EWG hooks. So, that's pretty lit. I got a rat.
There's a glare.
There's a glare. Oh no, what's that? A nice jig. 3/16 ounce. Swim jig. Pretty cool, man. More net baits. Yes, sir. Ooh, these are weird looking. Dagger. Or June bug color. Kind of like a bandito bug. But space themed, I guess. More craws. Thunderhawk. What is that? Camel craw. Gold shiner. What is this? These are some of the weirdest baits I've ever seen. Most of these are lake baits. Oh, it's another. It's like a craw had a baby with a bandito bug. And then shaky heads. If you saw the shaky head versus wacky rig video, the shaky head won. So, I bought some very oversized finesse worms because that's all they had. So I'll be cutting these in half and using these. Drop shot hooks. You all know what that's for. My wacky rig, of course. I was fishing yesterday and I dropped these in the water, so I had to buy a new pair. But they're forceps. They're $6. They're kind of cheap. And then trout bobbers because me and Tucker are going on trout fishing on Saturday. I don't think I'm gonna record, but yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Next fishing video will probably be some point this week. I have no clue. I haven't filmed one yet. But goodbye.